Traders, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. This is Simon Ngan, and I'm happy once more to start this new week with you guys. You know, today is Sunday, and I think it's Sunday the 2nd of February, the 2nd, yes, 2025. Very grateful and happy to meet you guys, this Sunday evening. And it's already 7 minutes past 7 Eastern time. There is a PM Eastern time. And today we started with a new week, and we're gonna see the last week. We cannot say that it was bad for the outcome, but it was good. The average, it was not too bad for the trading process we had. Remember, we're focusing ourselves on the process, not the outcome. And we're using the small shares to learn how to trade. That is why we invite most of you guys to join our community in order to learn how to trade Forex, ladies and gentlemen. So, let me welcome those in French. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et je suis très heureux d'être ici cette fin ou bien ce début de week-end, ce début de semaine, autant pour moi. Donc je voulais dire que notre semaine commence aujourd'hui dimanche et se termine jeudi. Alors ça c'est notre début de semaine aujourd'hui. Alors aujourd'hui c'est dimanche, le 2 février, le 2, voilà, et il est 19h passé de 8 minutes, temps de New York. Alors, très heureux d'être ici, chers frères, je voulais dire chers traders, oui, chers traders, je suis très heureux d'être là et je vous accueille autant aussi. Je vous dis merci de votre soutien, peu importe là où vous êtes. Je ne sais pas comment j'ai bon ma langue ce soir, quoi. Vous m'excuserez. Alors, ce qui fait que nous allons attaquer une nouvelle semaine aujourd'hui. La semaine dernière n'a pas été très mauvaise pour le processus, mais pour le résultat, ça a été mauvais. Mais n'oubliez pas que nous nous focalisons sur le processus du trading et non sur le résultat. Alors, comme toujours, le trading est une activité très difficile. Pour cette raison, nous vous demandons de trader dans un compte démo. Alors, quand vous allez trader dans un compte démo, ça va vous empêcher d'avoir des pertes, voilà, que vous n'avez inattendues, puisque lorsque vous apprenez à faire quelque chose, vous avez des pertes. Alors aujourd'hui, nous allons voir ce que le marché va nous réserver. Alors, le marché de japonais, le Japon se vient d'ouvrir dans Tokyo et Sydney. Donc nous allons essayer d'observer tous ces deux marchés et voir les opportunités que ces marchés pourront nous apporter ce soir. Donc, prenez vos places, chers traders, et nous allons tous ensemble commencer à regarder le marché. Comme d'habitude, les paires que je regarde, c'est comme vous voyez, j'ai Australie japonaise, voilà, Australie japonaise, et j'ai JPY japonaise, j'ai aussi Euro japonaise et j'ai US japonaise. Voilà. Donc, sont ces tics cadres, ces paires que j'ai dans mon tableau. Ladies and gentlemen, I was saying that I have 4 pairs here: US Japanese, Australian Japanese, GBP Japanese, and also Euro Japanese. We will see. Somebody said that Euro Japanese used to be a little bit difficult to trade, but we gotta see. We also used to have to trade China Japanese, which you have a lot of spread, but I don't want to go through the spread. China Japanese, yes, you have spread a lot, and Australia Japanese also has spread. GBP is good, affordable. Let me see. Other pair here, Canada Japanese, too spready. Okay, Canadian Japanese is too spready. We don't want to go there. Canadian Japanese, GBP is GBP China. Okay, let me see another Japanese. New Zealand Japanese, which is a little bit affordable. Okay, I'm going to remove. I have Euro Japanese coming down. It's coming down, which is good. Euro Japanese. Okay, we have also what? GBP Japanese. Okay. So we're going to see at this time the spread still a little bit bigger, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to have patience, in our trading, session. So, as a reminder, trading, require first of all to be profitable. Become profitable in trading. You need first of all to have, uh, you know, a system. System is what? The system is the rules. So it's all kind of rules you can place yourself. You can put yourself. Including a setup, because you need a pattern which is called setup on the market to enter the market. You need that. You shouldn't just enter the market randomly, just jump in because you see something going up, just jump on it. But you need some kind of setup, which is a pattern. Maybe you might see maybe support and resistance. It might be a setup, or you see maybe cup and handle reversal, or you might see trend, line, or channel. Those are the patterns you might see in the market in order to allow it to enter. Because when you enter the market with those patterns, what that would help you to do is that you will stay in your mind knowing that this kind of pattern I use to enter the market, and that pattern have a percentage win. That is the first thing. And let me reduce again the volume here of this. Okay. So I was saying that when you already have the pattern in the market, you know that to enter the market, this is what I used to. This is what I use to enter the market. And then those patterns, you will see that if the market reverse or break out or break down, those are the kind of pattern you can use to enter the market. And then when you already have those patterns, you will now set now some kind of rules around the pattern. You will say that, okay, I gotta use this pattern at this time, just this time from this hour to this hour. Yes, those gotta be the rules you put yourself on the pattern. Yes, when you put those rules, and then you will say if things doesn't hit at this time, or I won't enter the market, or the spread. You can include the spread on your system. Say, okay, I need this kind of spread. If I don't see the market doing this spread, having this spread, I don't jump on the trade. Those gotta be also the rules you place yourself. And then you will say, okay, now, even though I have those things for your money management, I will always place the stop. The stop gotta be, among my strategy. When I enter the trade, right away when I enter the trade, I gotta place my stop. That is the second rule you put yourself on your system. Thirdly, you will say, okay, now when I place my stop, I gotta place the target. And if it doesn't hit my target, or it's coming to hit my stop, I will never move my stop. That is another rule you put yourself on during your trading arsenal. You see how you put in the rules around your setup, because no matter system, let's call it like that, or no matter the setup somebody give you, even though somebody tell you that when you see this kind of EMA, let's say 150 simple moving average crossing the 50 moving average, when it cross together, you gotta go long. Somebody give you that system and that setup, yeah, and you see that setup in the market. The market just do what it was supposed to do. Now you see a 50 moving average, simple moving average, 150 crossing the 50 simple moving average. You say, yes, this is the setup. They told me I'm going to jump on the trade. And now you enter the trade right away. If you don't have the rules I was talking about, that setup would never help you to. It's not the setup going to tell you that you got to place your stop here. No. Entering the trade with that setup will never tell you to enter the trade. you know. So it will never ever tell you that place your stop here. And no matter how good is the setup, it will never tell you that, hey, you know what, don't move your stop. And the setup will still not telling you that. Wait for your target. Wait that the trade reach your target before you exit the trade. So you see how no matter how good is the setup, it will never give you rules. And the setup will not tell you that you gotta the FOMO, missing, fear of missing out or jumping the gun. Even though you see the setup, the setup will not tell you that, hey, don't jump the gun, don't do this. So you need to place a lot of rules around your setup, no matter how good it is. That is what now they call strategy. Strategy is the combination of setup and rules you place yourself. That is why we're telling that if you don't have those in place, and don't forget the important things, the risk management. Risk management, including on your setup and all those rules, are what we call the strategy. Because your strategy need to have all those things. When your strategy have all those things in place and you practice your strategy, you're practicing all those rules. Because let me tell you, when you're going to start, you will make mistakes like the one I'm making here. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, violating your rules, no. I mean, doing a lot of things contrary to your rules, the rules you place yourself. And then when you do that, you already, all those things you keep repeatedly, you keep doing the same mistakes over and over and over and over. And now small, you will start fixing those mistakes. You fix them and you become strong and solid. And that is what you become now, professional trader. Don't worry about your setup. You might use a setup which doesn't work. Some setup you work once and it doesn't work anymore. And also some people, you start to play the trade, you place the first setup, it doesn't work. You replace it again and again and again. You see that no matter what you try, it doesn't work. You gotta also understand that there are some setup which take time. They might take time to start performing. It's like what I'm doing now. Last month, January, I was just losing. I was using the setup. My setup was what? The channel. When I work on the channel and I trade high, low, and I follow the trend. Sometime November it worked a lot, but January, December it starts slowing down, and January it didn't work out completely. So what should I do now? I can just keep doing the same thing, keep doing it over and over and over, and I'll become good at it. But it's difficult to do as to say. You can say something, but difficult to do it. Those are the things we have to focus on ourselves. Because implementing your setup will help you to do things properly, accordingly. Yep. So my eyes is here on the Australia GDP, which is want to break here down. And when you look at US Japanese, we are in 15 minutes here, ladies and gentlemen. All those 15 minutes, you see that Japanese is going up, whereas Australia Japanese is coming down, and Euro Japanese down, and also GBP Japanese is coming down. But the good setup I see here is what? Is Australia Japanese. For the rest, I don't show interest on them because their setup, I'm not happy with the setup at this time. Let me see this one, China Japanese as well. So I prefer to focus myself on Euro Japanese. If you break here, Australia Japanese. If Australia Japanese break here lower, I might involve on the trade. So I'm watching traders, and also Euro Japanese have to break also the support down. So I already have two of the trade I'm watching, Australia Japanese here, and I'm watching them carefully to see. It's too early, ladies and gentlemen. Even though I gotta take a trade now, it gotta be a short trade. So I'm not talking about shorting, but I'm saying that it gotta be a quick trade. So I won't stay there for long. Just quick one. Entering and exiting. Because at this time it's difficult to predict the market. Market now just do a little bit and now reverse. It's everywhere. So if I get this trade here, I might place my stop at the top, So I place my stop here and I wait to see, but I see that it's coming down, doesn't break. I gotta wait. I don't want to jump the gun, traders. I don't want to jump the gun. So, je disais que, chez trader, que pour être profitable au marché boursier, il faut avoir une stratégie. Il faut avoir un système que tu utilises pour pouvoir entrer et sortir du marché. Voilà. Et ce qu'on appelle la stratégie est combinée par des lois qui vous empêchent de faire quoi que ce soit ou qui vous permet à être discipliné. Voilà. Vous devez avoir un sens d'entrée. Voilà. La façon dont vous entrez au marché, qu'on appelle en anglais un setup. Voilà. La façon dont vous entrez au marché. Ça veut dire quoi? Si vous voyez que vous allez remarquer que si vous voyez que vos bougies ont fait ceci ou cela, sont à ce sens-ci, vous entrez, vous prenez le trade. Voilà. Mais si vous voyez que, ou bien le support et la résistance, c'est aussi, par exemple, c'est sur le support ici. Si c'est ma stratégie, je vais entrer ici, tout c'est le support pour remonter. Vous voyez, comme j'ai vu ici, vous voyez comment ça s'est passé. Donc je peux reprendre ici maintenant pour remonter. Ici, sachant que ça va, le truc va remonter. Donc je place, je remonte et je place mon stop en bas. Lorsque vous voyez ici. Voilà. Je monte, je place mon stop en bas. C'est une façon de trade. Et cela s'accompagne avec beaucoup de lois. Voilà. Beaucoup de lois. Quand vous mettez ces lois, toutes ces lois vous permettront de ne pas faire ceci, tout cela. Et vous implémentez aussi votre risque. Puisque le risque vous permet de mettre long au marché. Voilà. Au marché, appelons le trading en général. Donc, c'est tant de choses que vous devez comprendre. Voilà. Par exemple, ce trade-ci, je vais essayer de voir si je veux prendre le long et je place mon stop en bas, ici là, chez trader. C'est ce que je suis en train de vouloir tenter faire. Je suis déjà dans le trade avec le long. Voilà. Je suis dans le long. Je vais voir si ce trade pourra faire quelque chose de bien. Voilà, nous allons observer et voir, et mon stop doit être en dessous d'ici. Voilà. Donc, je suis dans le trade, le long, chez trader. C'est un bon trade déjà. Voilà, nous allons essayer de voir comment est-ce que ce trade va se passer. On observe, voir. Et mon stop, je vais le placer en dessous de cette bougie. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm there for the long. I gotta place my stops. Gotta place my stop now. I don't know why the stop doesn't come out. I want to place my stop. I'm already in the profit, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. I don't know why my stop doesn't appear here. Place the stop in the market. Great. We're moving in the right direction. Let's see. keep going and come down, go up and come down. Coming down. My stop is below this candle, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what's going on here on this. Let me see. This is not good. I gotta place my stops on the system. Okay, that is my stops. I gotta write it down. Traders, we are in for the long. I gotta place my stops. That is 89. That I could have get out of this trade just because I don't have possibility to do that, because since since my stop was okay, I placed now my stop in the market, so I'm already here. My stop is there. Let's see what's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in for the long. This trade was good because it made me some profit, but I couldn't take the profit because I didn't see my my P&L was not seen, and it was difficult to stop. I mean, to get out of the trade. So let's see what's going to happen now. Listen to me. Let's keep our eye there. Watch it. Watching now. For the long, great. This is a good trade. I'm in, I'm out. So it was a very beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. It was a nice trade for me. That's the first trade I'm making here. I went out from here. I wait, if he pull back again, I might involve again on the trade. That was my first good trade. So nicely done. I start now beautifully, ladies and gentlemen. Je suis dehors, mesdames et messieurs, avec un bon profit. C'est le premier trade. Je ne veux pas rester longtemps. I don't want to overstay my welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So it was a nice trade. I wait for the pullback. If I see any kind of pullback here, I might re-enter the trade for the long again. So that is what I told you guys. That setup, when you have a setup, like support and resistance, you might take a trade based on the setup. So I told you guys that I'm not going to stay for long, and I did it. I have a profit, which was good, but it's true that my stop was a little bit here, far away, but I took my profit a little bit earlier. So if the trade would have come here to my stop, maybe it would have taken me more than what I was risking. I mean, what I took, because I took a little bit less than my stop. So it was a good trade because it was a quick trade, but where I placed my stop, the risk was a little bit more than my winner, which is not quite good. So we have to revise it, even though the trade worked, but we need to know that next time we shouldn't. If we have to do a quick trade, the stop also have to be close. But my stop was a little bit far, compared to what I earned, which is not recommendable. Voilà. Donc je disais que mon trade, quand je regarde mon trade, bon, c'est un très bon trade, c'est un bon trade, mais ce que nous pouvons noter ici est que là où j'ai placé le stop, c'était ici. Si ce trade revenait jusqu'au stop, j'aurais perdu plus que ce que je viens de faire. J'aurais perdu plus. Mais malheureusement, ce n'est pas revenu. La prochaine fois, il faudra qu'on puisse corriger ça. Voilà, c'est très important. Donc, on observe maintenant. On voit, on attend une autre opportunité. Une autre opportunité, mesdames et messieurs. On attend une autre opportunité. Watch it. I took Australia Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. That was the trade I was in. Australia Japanese, that was a good trade. So let's see now. I'm watching for a pullback here, traders. At 15 minutes. I might scale down here to 5 minutes. No, 15 here. Okay. Watching and see. Okay, we're watching. Let's watch the pattern we see here in the market, traders. Watching. Waiting for some kind of pullback here. I might reduce. I took it down. I don't want to risk again what I already made. Australia Japanese. Let's see if we gotta have a pullback there. Let's see. Great. Great. We see a pullback. I'm about to go long again, traders. Let's see if we see any possibility. On va voir si on a un rejet. Attends voir. Pour voir si on peut long du trade. Watching. Je suis la descente. On va voir si je monte et mon stop sera sur la queue. I want to long it to place my stop on the tail, traders. Okay, I'm taking here for a long, traders. Take it for a long, and my stop is on the tail here. If you come back to the tail, I will get out of the trade quickly as possible. Yeah. So I'm already there. Let me see. I'm out of the trade, traders. With the loss, it was a small one. I don't want to let him keep going down. So let's see. Because where I place my stop is not good. That is the problem. Placing your stop, very, very important. because I don't know, it might come all the way down to this point. That is not something I want to do. So it's keep coming down. Let's see. Watching. Watching. Let me see if I can can get a quick trade for the short. But this one, normally I was supposed to wait, because it doesn't show any pattern here. It hasn't reached here to this level. I haven't reached this level, so I'm not sure what it might do. And this one is already on the resistance here, so I don't know what it might do. And Euro Japanese here. Let me see if I can try it for the long side. Let me see. I'm in Euro Japanese for long. Euro Japanese for long, ladies and gentlemen. And you see my trade here in the green candle. That is where I entered the trade. So my stop gotta be here on the tail. My stop gotta be on the tail, traders. My stop gotta be here below this tail. Let me see if I can sweep it again. Oh, okay, that is my stop. Let's see if we're gonna have a quick trade then. We're gonna have a quick trade, will be fine, but if we don't, okay, we're moving now to the right direction. Let's see. And my target is here. I'm ready to get out in case didn't work. Okay, let's watching traders. We're watching. Let's see if we might have a push up there. Let's see. We might have another push. Let's see. Get it? Watching. Long US Japanese. US Japanese for long. Great. Great. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, push there. Keep going. Yes, keep going. Keep going. Wow. Wow. Keep back down. Keep back down. Let's see. Second attempt. Let's see the second attempt. Yeah. Let's see the second attempt. Watching. It's not easy to hold a winning trade. Traders. It's not easy. So let's see. Second attempt, if we can have it. Let's see. Okay, now I can bring my stops here at this point. Let's see. I have a second attempt. Multiple attempts, it doesn't go. Okay, I'm putting myself out for the moment. It was a great trade. Yeah, I prefer to stand out. I stay out for this point, but it was a great trade. It was a great trade. Euro US. Talking about Euro US here, I haven't seen Euro US. Let me see Euro US. Talking about Euro US for the short. Chelsea, I don't see which time frame are you talking about? Euro US, which time frame are you talking about? When I place here 4 hours time frame is already on support. I'm going to break the support a little bit below, and the way I see the candlestick, I don't like those candlesticks the way they're performing right now. If you see here, we see a lot of indecisions. Let me check here and see what kind of candlestick we have here. 4, dodgy, neutral dodgy. We have 4, up to 4. So it's a bearish, sign of bearishness. But so according to me, you're talking about short. Short, when you see here, I have my 200 EMA, where it's broken a little bit, my 200 EMA at the bottom here, so I'm seeing it breaking the 200 EMA. I might wait a little bit to see if it might keep continue down, because we already have a engulfing, bearish engulfing candles here, which is the red candle, which is good. But let's see if he gotta close this tail, small tail on 4 hours. You gotta feel it out, the tail at the bottom, which you rejected. So if you feel it out, I might jump on it, because even when I go to 15 minutes here, 15 minutes, I see, what did I see here? 15 minutes. You see that he hasn't broke. He rejected here, placed the second one. So let's wait and see if we're going to break here at the low of this candle. So US Japanese, I'm still there. US Japanese, and my eyes still looking. I went out quickly of I went out. So my eyes still there, ladies and gentlemen. I already placed 3 trade. Good, the 2 was good. I lost 1, small loss. So let's see. Australia, Euro US. If he break here at the bottom, he break this one, this candle. If you see my 15-minute candle, if you go below it, I might now go short. So let's see. GDP Japanese as well. I need it to break. It's doing great, but if we break here, it will be nice trade. So we're heading in the right direction here, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, let's see. We're having high, 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 low, high here. We're going to get double high, triple high. So we will need now to see new high at this spot. Yes, we're waiting to break out for the new high. Japanese is doing great, but if I enter here, where gotta be my stop? My stop gotta be on those 2 tails. You see, for US Japanese, the 2 tails gotta be my stop, but they gotta be too tight, too tight. Let's see. There is double top on US Japanese. Watching. On observe. Montrer sur Amco. Il est bien, il est déjà sur la résistance. US Japanese. 4 hours, US Japanese already on the resistance side. So we don't need to take any trade there. You gotta just be some kind of short position according to 4 hours US Japanese. A 4 hour US Japanese show us a short position here. Yes, that is the short I was talking about. I gotta go short here, US Japanese. I gotta figure out how to go short, ladies and gentlemen, because we are already on the support. Let me see if we have the new low. Yes, I need to see high, second candle, red candle to make the new low. And we're coming here for Euro Japanese too. It's coming down. Maybe we're gonna have a breakdown here. Let's see. All right, let me go short for US Japanese. I'm shorting US Japanese, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going short US Japanese, and my stop gotta be far away. That is why you need to see your stop before entering the trade, traders. Now I gotta place my stop here on top of those two candles, so which is far away, normally I was not supposed to enter this trade because the stop is far. This is my stop here, which is not quite good. It's not quite good, but let's see how it's going to play out. My stop gotta be here, my stop gotta be above these two candles, and if you have to go back there, I'm going to have my first huge loss. I'm telling you. I'm going to have my first huge loss of today. So, because my stop is far away, so I need to have my target below here. So, let me place my stop 155.811. Okay. Place my stop on the system. Let's see, traders. Also, we're having GBP Japanese. I don't want to take two trades at the same time because of my risk management, traders. I don't want to do that. Two trades because of my risk management. Because if I lose one, I'm going to lose both. I don't want to do that. So I better wait and see what US Japanese is going to do for the short. I said that US Japanese already on resistance on the 4 hours. So we expect the pullback, which that is why I enter short. So let's see if it might keep going up or down. Let's watch and see. Watching US Japanese for short. US Japanese for short. And my target, US Japanese. I gotta show you where my target is located. My first target gotta be here, Twitter. That gotta be my first target. So even though that target is close, it's not enough to cover this. Maybe you gotta be just, it's not up to. I gotta wait again. Maybe you gotta do the pullback. If I get out here of this target, it's too close. You won't pay my bill for what I risk. That is what I think. So I need to let it pull back and see another lower. All right, we're having a breakdown here for the US, Australia, Japanese. We have a breakdown. If I already get out of the US Japanese, I will take this traders, and Euro US also approaching. Euro US approaching the lower. Okay, I can take just here a little bit, just a little bit for this one. Yeah, I took it just a little bit, just a little bit. Let's see. I just went short with very small shares, traders. Let's see, as I told you, that was my target, my first target. But unfortunately, I didn't take my profit, and now I'm having losing trade now, probably. Let's see. I took just for my risk management, I took just small unit on Australia Japanese. Let's see how it's going to play out. Watch it, traders. I expect this trade to come down and break here, keep coming down, because my stop gotta be my target gotta be here. If it's here, it's good. It's gotta be good. That was a good target. That is what I want. So let's see. And also GBP Japanese is a good trade. I don't want to multiply traders. So let's see. Let's watch. US Japanese is doing great. I need a breakdown there. I need this break to happen. Yes, I need this break to happen. I want to see it down. Watching. Let's see what's the break? Yes, Australia Japanese doing great as well. Australia Japanese doing great, but US Japanese is playing around. Australia Japanese great, Australia Japanese. So let me see if it broke here. Australia Japanese, I can get out of Australia Japanese here with a win. Yes, the good traders. Australia Japanese. Let me see US Japanese traders. I need to see a breakdown there. US Japanese. Okay, I'm out also US Japanese. Trader, it was a very good trade. Very nicely. Because I see here a green candle. This is a beautiful trade. I already placed how many trades? 4 trades. I won 3. I lost 1. So that is 3, 4. I'm moving in the right direction today, man. Very beautifully, nicely. Juste au-dessus japonais et Australia japonaise, les 2 trades ont marché. Trader, ça a été bien. Donc, c'est un très bon début. Et je suis content, c'est bien. Ça prouve que le trade, tu peux être dans un trade, ça marche. Voilà. Comme cela a marché, c'est bien. Ok, c'est bien. Euro US. Ok, congratulations, Joseph. If you took it, if you took it, it's good. Great. Good trade. C'est bien, et c'est bien, je vous le dis. Donc, nous allons maintenant observer le marché et voir ce que le marché va faire. Traders, things are moving in the right direction here. We're making some progress, which is good. Making some progress here, which is good. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We're watching. We're now watching to see the direction of the market. I'm in 5-minute time frame. Traders. We saw a breakdown here. And now let me try to see a trend line. No, the trend line. We don't see any sign of good trend line here. So we're having a high low, but we're still on the consolidation area. As you can see, we see on the channel. The channel hasn't break, so we went down. Now we reject it. I might take Australia here for the long again, place my stop at the bottom, of the candle. Yes, that is what I'm trying to do here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to see if I can take Australia, Japanese for the long and place my stop at the bottom of the candle. That is what I'm trying to do here. I'm in again, Australia, Japanese for long, and my stop is below those candles. If it comes down and break here and start coming down, I'm going to get out of the trade. So in the meantime, I need to place my stops on the market and the system because I'm gonna have flush. So I'll place my stop there, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see, place my stops. Place my stop on the system. Place my stop on the system. Place my stop on the system. Okay, my stop is 95 along the route Japanese .14. Place my stop, the system there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to get surprised for the flush. That is why I have to put a hard stop in the market. So let's see how it's going to play out, ladies and gentlemen. I told you that we need a pattern on the trade, on the trade. When we have a pattern, some kind of pattern, sometimes the market repeat the same pattern over and over and over and over. Sometimes they do that. So if that is the case, we're going to seize the opportunity to maximize our profit. That is what we're doing here. So let's see if we get another green candle. Let's see if we can get it. Another green candle. Hopefully we won't get a red one. We need a green candle. Watching to see one small green candle so that we might get out of the trade. Watching. Watching to see green candle. Watching to see a rejection with a green candle. Great, 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 great. Push again. Another push. Great. Yes, Japanese is going up. Great, great, great. Let's see another attempt. Let's see another attempt again. Another one. Another one. Putting down. Let's see. I'm still there, waiting to see if I have another green candle. It hasn't touched my stop, so I'm waiting to see. Coming down. Coming down. Watching. Watching to see. We're expecting another push up with a green candle. Wanna get it now? Wanna get it now? Great. Great. We need a good push. Great. Japanese is going very nicely. Great. Great. Okay, I'm out of the trade. I prefer to get out of the trade here because Japanese already on the resistance in my pullback, which is good. That is a very nice trade again. But here, ABC on Japanese, you know, ABC trade, which will happen in Japanese, and on the Australia, you know, also the ABC didn't work perfectly, but great trade. That is the 5 trade, losing 1 and winning 4. Nicely. I couldn't expect it today, man. Couldn't expect that one today. And Japanese is trying to break, ladies and gentlemen. With Japanese, and we see here on 4 hours, it's still on the resistance side. Hasn't done anything. Still on the resistance. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm trying to see if I can short it here on my other account. Take a short. If it starts rejecting. But here it made a new high on my platform, as you can see. The Japanese here made a new high, which is great. But I expect a pullback here. Nicely. Let's see. Watch it here. Took the short here. Maybe I might see short as well on US Japanese here. I might take a short. Which I'm trying to do. Let me take a short here, ladies and gentlemen, US Japanese. If you keep going, I'm just going, if you want to break out, I'm just going to get out of the trade right away. Let's see. If it tries to break out, I will get out of the trade rapidly. Let's see. I gotta place my stop here. Yes, my stop gotta be there. So I don't want to give him a lot, just a little bit. And I place my stops. That is a 159.11. All right. I place my stop in the system. Place my stop on the system. Let's see what's going to happen. Watching now, you are Japanese for the short, which is great. It's working perfectly. Let's see, maybe it might just be a pullback. Let's see. Let's keep our eye there. Let's keep our eye there, ladies and gentlemen. Great. Doing a great job. Watching for the short. US Japanese for the short. Great. Doing a great job. Another small push down. Great. Just a small push again. Great. Nice. Nice done. Okay, I'm out of the trade, traders. Beautiful. Beautiful. That is a nice trade, traders. So, what else can I say? It's good. We're moving now the very right direction. Sometimes, you place trade, it doesn't do anything. You keep doing the same thing over and over, over and over. Because there gotta be a time where the market is changing direction, the way you trader. That is almost 7 trade and 6 winner. 7 trade, gagner 6 sur 7. Vraiment, c'est bien. Très bien. Voilà, c'est très bien. Ça veut dire que petit à petit, nous avançons. Voilà, nous avançons. C'est bien. Voilà, je vais prendre une petite pause. Take a small break, traders. Ok, trader, I'm back here. Je suis revenu et comme je disais, nous avons pris déjà 7 trades. We already take 7 trades here, ladies and gentlemen, and those 7 trades we won 6-7. And now we're having a breakout here for GDP and retest. I'm going to see if I can long GBP, Japanese, taking for a long, ladies and gentlemen, because I saw the break here. Let me see here, GBP already new high, and we saw the break and the retest already performing here. Let me see GBP Japanese. Let me change the time frame. This is let me go to 50-minute trade. All right, it's good, looking good. So I'm going to see how to long GBP and place my stop at the bottom of the yes, along here. I place my stop at the bottom of this candle. Let me see. Let me see if I can have a pullback. If I don't have a pullback, I won't involve on the trade because already on the resistance side. I don't want to get, get trapped here. That is the resistance. I need a pullback, some kind of pullback, so that I can take the trade for the long side. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see. GBP for long. We need a pullback. Need a pullback. If a pullback comes here, I'm going to long the trade. Let me see a small pullback again. Watching for the pullback. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see the pullback. I'm waiting for the pullback, VP. And also we're having US Japanese here. I don't know if I can go with the trend line here to see what the trend line is doing here. Trend line. Okay, US Japanese is pulling back, which is great. I'll wait again to see the pullback. Wait again. If you can go to the retest, that'll be nice because I see US Japanese coming down. Okay, I'm going long here. Wow, this is you have a. Let's see. Went long. Let's see, and my stop gotta be here below this. But the stop is a little bit far away, ladies and gentlemen. But let's see. Let's see. This is coming down. Maybe I could take it for the short because US Japanese is coming down. So if you come here, this is a huge trade. I took it wrongly. I didn't test it properly, but let's see. This is my stop at this. So if we get there, I'm going to get out of the trade with a loss. But let's see. Let's see. If we get to my stop, you gotta come to my stop. That's support and break it so that I'm gonna get out of the trade. Let me see. Watching. You were GGP. Already there. My stop. Let's see. Let's see. I'm on my stop now. Let's see. Now my stops. If it breaks my stop, I will be out of the trade. Watching. Watching now. GBP, Japanese, for the long, but I long it maybe let me see if we can have a pullback there, a reversal, pullback. Let's see, double bottom. But I know I didn't enter the trade properly. That is it, My entry wasn't good, but so my entry wasn't good. So let me see if we can have some kind of pullback. But otherwise, I gotta get out of the trade with a huge loss. So let's see. Watching. Watching now. GBP. Let me see GBP. Let's see GBP for the pullback. Watching. Let's see, keep coming down. Traders. US Japanese coming down as well. I want to see the pullback and the green candle. That is a double bottom. Je suis dans GBP japonais sur le long, mais je suis mal entré. J'attends pour voir s'il peut faire le break even. C'est possible d'avoir le green candle. Reversal green candle. Wow, ça ne fait pas. Ça c'est le stop là-bas, mais ça va break. Bon. Ça va pas marcher. Probablement. Je suis obligé d'attendre sur le support. Si on voit ce qu'il peut mettre le green candle, ça serait très bon. Watching. If we can see a green candle. Let's see if we can see a green candle, but if we don't see, watching to see a green candle, ladies and gentlemen. Watching to see a green candle. Watching. I'm on the GBP Japanese. I want to see a green candle there and go to the break. Watching, great. US Japanese is doing great there, but he doesn't want to do great on his time. So let's see. Maybe we might have it. Need a green candle. We need a green candle. So, watching. Watching here. On observe. On voit déjà petit vert, ça prouve déjà. Voilà. On essaie de voir un petit vert déjà, tu as l'espoir. On attend voir. T'envoies. Ici sur GBP Japanese sur le long. GBP Japanese for the long. Give me hard time. Okay, I gotta get out of the trade soon. Okay, I am out of the trade. I gotta wait a little bit more. Maybe the white, the red, the green candle. You keep going down. I get out of the trade. Let me see. Oh, I'm out. I'm out with a loss. Big loss, amigo. Yeah, I have a big loss here, you know. So I give back everything I made, almost, for one trade, you know. And I'm not giving up with this trade because this trade is good. It might keep going up. So I don't know. I need to wait. I don't want to keep chasing. Yeah. He came and kicked me out. Now you're reversing. Okay, that was a great trade. Oh man, this is what I was expecting. Look at it. Look at this. I wait for the pullback. We can have a pullback here, or I can go with the the trade which is better here is it can be Australia Japanese. Australia Japanese is better than US Japanese, than the GDP Japanese. I can go with Australia Japanese traders. I better go with Australia Japanese because it look a little bit better than GBP Japanese. Let me go with Australia Japanese for the long. My stop is here. Let me place my stop in the market. I'm on Australia Japanese. So let's see. Australia Japanese for long. I need to place my start. Australia Japanese. Let's see. Gotta place my stops. It's on the 95.162. 95.188. 188. Okay, I'm now going long Australia Japanese. I give back almost all my profit, yeah, which I made on the US on the GBP Japanese, because I went a little bit heavy there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's watch and see. That is my second losing trade, traders. So let's try to see what's going to happen here. If we see going to have a downtrend, US this GDP, I want to short it, go short on GDP. Sell GDP. Sell Japanese is coming to my stop. Let's see. Sell Japanese. I want to get out of sell Japanese because it look like the trend is coming down. So let's see. Now I'm having trouble here because it's better to get out of one and keep one. So let's watch. I'm out of Australia Japanese with the loss trader. So I'm having now 2 consecutive losses. So I'm giving back now all my profit. I came back from the break, with I say that wasn't good, So let's watch and see what's going to happen here. Let's watch and see. My stop on the GBP is above this. I'm gonna place my stops. If it stops me out, I'm going to get out of the trade. Let me see. Gotta place my stop on the market. I was wrong. Let me see now. My stop is 191. That's 463. Okay, we're watching here, traders. Let's see. That is my stop in the market. So let's keep watching and see what's going to happen. I'm on the GBP Japanese for the short. I went out from Australia Japanese earlier. So let's see. Je suis dans GBP Japanese pour le short. J'ai perdu 2 fois. J'ai perdu Australie Japonais, j'ai perdu encore GBP parce que j'ai d'abord long. C'est rentré contre moi. On va voir ici. GBP Japonais sur le long. Sur le short, pardon. Let's watch. Watching. We haven't seen any, any big drop here. So, I don't know. Maybe we might have it this time. Watching. We need a big drop. US Japanese itself hasn't break here. We need to break, start coming down because it broke the channel apparently. So waiting to see if we might have a big drop now. Watching. US Japanese now is reversing. Let's see. Watching. Let's see. If I place my trend line here, how is that gonna look? Let me see my trend line. My trend line is not okay. The trade is not yet there, my trend line. So I can expect this trade, if possible, to reach this level. Yep. So I need to be patient and wait. Hopefully we might get it. So let's see. We might see the drop there to chill that trend line. So let's wait and see. Watching. I already have 7 trade, 4 winner. And 4 winners, no, 7 trade, 4 winning trade and 3 losing trade. But the loser are a little bit bigger than my winner. So let's see. My losing trade are bigger than my winner, so I'm red because the 2 last trade I lost was huge, which is not good. So unfortunately, no. Let's see. Let's see. Watching. US Japanese is going up. It broke the trend line, but I don't know why it's going up. And it's dragging the other pairs down. Yeah. We're there. I'm on GBP Japanese for the short. Hopefully we're gonna get it. And Australia Japanese also is coming down. Australia Japanese is coming down. Let me see. Australia Japanese is coming down. Watching. For a continuation down, we need to see a drop. We need to see a drop there. Yep, we're getting a drop, small drop. We need a drop to keep going. Watching. We see a pullback. A big pullback. Let's see. Because Japanese is tracking the stock, the pair up, US Japanese keep going up and up. The other one are coming down, even Australia Japanese down, but US Japanese up. If US Japanese could have turn around, that'd be great. But let's see. I need this drop to come up to right here. This is my target, ladies and gentlemen. That is my target. My stop already on the system. If you kick me out, that's fine. So let's see. Japanese now, if Japanese turn red, we'll get the drop I'm looking for. Great. 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 I'm approaching my target. Hopefully, I'm gonna get it. Now, have a dotty. Let's see. I need to get to this point here. This is my target here, ladies and gentlemen. I need to wait and get there to my target. Otherwise, it's gotta be a losing trade for me. Watching. Great. We need to see a drop right to my target. Australia also is coming down. Broke. We see a big rejection. Yeah, it hasn't touched the trend line. Hasn't touched my trend line, so I gotta wait. On voit. The trade, the candle doesn't come always one. Great, great. Push again. Great. Now it touched my target. One push again. All right. My target is, I'm out of the trade. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a great trade. Beautiful. Sometimes you need to wait for your target. to hit. You need to wait for a target to get hit. Now that it hit my target here, I'm out of the trade with a big win. How can I say? The big winner. So I'm happy. I have a huge loss and I have a big winner. So grateful for the trade. It's a good trade. So as you can see here, I came to my my trend line. So maybe this got to be the pullback, because we have high, lower, lower, high, high and high low, high and high low, high and high low. This is the high low here. So we're gonna get the high, high. We're looking to get it. Looking to get it. So I can reduce my share, my unit here, and get to the long one. Along here, ladies and gentlemen, I took a long position with a small, very little one. I just want to see what's going to happen on my long position. Let's see what's going to happen with long position. I took a long. Let's watch and see, traders, and my stop is below my trend line. Watching for the long. GBP, Australia, Japanese. I took long. Watching. Took one small long position there. Two micro lot. Ladies and gentlemen, we're learning how to trade here. That is what we're doing here. Learning how to trade, which is important. You need to learn with the small shares. You don't need big one, just small one. Because if you make money with small share, you're going to make money with a big one. Go slowly. So that's it. My stop is here below this trend line. If you get there, I'm going to get out of the trade. My stop is there, approaching my stop, traders. I'm ready to get out if you hit my stops. So that's it. Hit my stop, I'll get out of the trade without hesitation. So my stop is here below this trend line. As you can see, this is my stop. So let's see what the market's going to do right now. If you hit there, I'm going to get out of the trade. So watch it. Do this with a demo account and small shares. You can do with demo, you can do with whatever you want. But we recommend you demo, because so that you should not lose money. Me, I'm doing it with my small tiny account. So what I'm losing here doesn't affect my life. Watching to see movement along GBP, Japanese, because it hit my trend line, and that is my entry point. I told you guys that you need a setup, some kind of setup, so that you can involve in my market. If you have that setup, it doesn't work. How? Like sometimes it doesn't work. You accept it. You have your stock on the market. So that is how it works. Let me place my stop here, which is here. This is my stop. So if you get my stop, I'm stopping out of the trade. I don't have time to place the stop. Okay, come to my stop, cross that red line, Okay, I'm out. Great. I'm out of the trade with a loss, trader. So I accept it. And I want to take now GBP, Australia GBP for the short because it broke the support here. So I gotta go short on GBP Australia here, traders. I go to the short. I short now Australia GBP. Let's see. Australia GBP for the short, and my stop is above here, traders. I short this ticker, my stop is above this candle. If it right there and turn green, I'm going to get out of the trade. So that is my stop. I can place it here, trader. Yes, my stop is here. My stop there. If it changed there, broke my line. Oh, I'm out. That is another losing trade, traders. Very, very unpleasant here. Very unpleasant trade. But it happens. It happens. It happens. So let's see. Let's see. It happens. Okay. Watching here, ladies and gentlemen. Watching here. I went again for the long on the GBP again because I don't give up, because I know that this GBP gotta go back up. So let's see if it might do it. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see if this time we're gonna have because we're having lower, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, high high, we need here now another high high, high high, high low, high high, high low. So we need another high high, traders. That is what I'm trying to get here. But I took this one, the wrong one, because I thought the break down, but it didn't hold. That is why I tried to short it, but it didn't work out. So I went out with a loss, which is not bad. So let's see what we're gonna get right now. GBP now is coming back down. My stop is still on this line. If you come there, I'm gonna get out of the trade again. So let's see. Watching. Let's hope to get a lower high now. Watching now to see. Go high. Watching. complete the hard stop. Pin the hard stop. Great, I placed my stop in the market. Let's see. Let's watch and see how it's gonna play out. We're looking for lower high now. Let's see. We're gonna get low high. We're looking for low high. Let's see if we can get it. I don't know if Australia also play good here, but I don't want to take it because it's on the support here. You know, Australia is dangerous because it's on the support, so I don't want to take something on the support. I gotta wait. If it break here, it keep continue here. Now I can show interest in it. Watching. If Australia break here and they put the first candle or the third candle to make a new high, now you can see if you can take it, and Australia have to break here as well. US have to break. We're waiting for a new high for the US, Japanese. Attends, what? US, Japanese. Attends, what? Australia Japanese wanted to break the resistance, the support which became resistance here. If we break it and keep going, now I might go long there as well. So let's see. Watching. Great movement here. I would need to see a breakout here, but which would not be easier. Yes, I will see. I know that I'm expecting a pullback at this point, a good pullback, and now coming back and break it. So let's see. Could I take my target there, but I'm not yet sure based of what I'm risking. I think it's not comfortable for me to put a target there. So let's see. Watching. I see US card here, breaking here, which is good. I might see for long and place my stop at the bottom here of this candle as well. Place my stop at the bottom below here. I need to place my stop below this candle. Great. It's great. So let's see. I'm in on two trades, Australia, Japanese, and GBP. Okay, let me start Japanese here. Start Japanese. Let's see. Place my stops as well. If the trade doesn't work out, I'll be out of the trade. 4, that's 9, 89. Okay, you're watching here, ladies and gentlemen. Too long position here. We're watching. Let's see how it's going to play out. I have too long position here. Australia, Japanese, and GBP. Let's see. Sit and do trade. Australia, Japanese, GBP to the long. Let's see. My stop still on the market. Place my stop there. Let's see. Hopefully that this is a pullback, just a pullback. You know, if it's the reversal, I will understand. I will get out of the trade with a loss, but hopefully that is a pullback. Let's see. Watching my two trade. GBP, Japanese, and Australia, Japanese for long. Maybe I saw them in the wrong direction. It's possible. But let's see. Because here we're having lower, low, and lower high, lower, low, and lower high. This is the lower, lower high. So that is what I took the long there. This is also the low high. But this is a high, 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 low. So we're saying we want to take the high, high or the low high now. So let's see. We're going to get it. If we don't, we will understand that we're not able to get it. Approaching my stop on Australia, Japanese. So let's see. The Japanese approaching my stops here. If I lose these two trades, you gotta be more than my mass loss. So watching. I'm now stopping out of Australia Japanese soon. That is what happened when you take the same trade twice. So, risky is huge. The risk become very huge. I'm almost out of Australia Japanese here with a loss. There's nothing I can do. Gonna kick me out. I'm out of Australia Japanese. Already. US Japanese, GBP Japanese as well. Gotta go get out of the loss as well. All right, traders. This is a big losing trade for me too on the roll. So I hit my mass loss here. I can't take any trade anymore. That is what you have to do, trader. You have to have some amount of money you have to place in the market. Those are part of the rules. Those are part of the rules. When you have a rule in the market, your money management, you need to have a quantity, the amount you tend to lose on the trade. So those hit even more, it's almost more than a mass loss. But it's true that I already make some money, but I give those money back and more. So let's analyze why this trade didn't work out. Why do we think that this trade didn't work out? It came back to the entry point and it kicked me out here on my stocks. We can see that it's a little bit simple to understand. It's just because I didn't see the direction of the market. Market started here, high, came here. He made a small, resistance here. He broke the resistance, went a little bit higher. He came lower. He went more higher than the previous higher. And now here it changed direction. He started doing lower, low, high, lower, lower, high. And now I did a very lower, a small lower high. So what I could have understand on this trade is that it was supposed to do again the lower, because it changed direction at this point. It changed the direction here. So I was supposed to understand that this is a change of direction because this is a double top, and head and shoulder. So head and shoulder means what? Means that the continuation down. Head and shoulder. This is the head. This is the head here. Trader. Let me see if I can get any shape here. Arrow shape. All right. This is the shape here. So this is head. Trader. I don't know how this stuff doesn't. Okay. This is the shape is not okay. Let me change the color here. All right. Let me see if we can change the color. Okay, this is black. Let me change it to yellow. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm calling head here. So this is head, and when you look at this head, you will understand that the shoulder might also disclose, you know, that is head, and this is shoulder traders. Those shape as, yeah, a little bit difficult to implement. Okay, this is this is the one shoulder here. This is another shoulder here. I'm sorry, it's taking me a little bit long to put those stuff because this platform is a little bit difficult to. Okay, this is a. Okay, this is a. Okay, this is one head. If let's say I reduce this. Okay, now I'm going to reduce this one. Okay, let me reduce this shape. All right, now I reduce this one again. Now I bring, I widen this head a little bit. Okay, so we're seeing here two, one chart pattern. This is the head and double and two shoulder. So what I could understand is that head and shoulder means a reversal, continuation down. As you can see, you gotta keep going down. And head and shoulder and breaking here, these patterns show that we're heading down. I couldn't long this trade, I couldn't long it because it's clear, head and shoulder. Okay, now look at this one as well. Where does he heading? Okay, you see, here we have our trend line here. It broke the trend line the first time. It went up. But it's true that this one is doing, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. It came here and, it's true that it didn't broke this channel before, but it broke it here a little bit. But here would have been difficult to know where it's heading. But the other one was clear. Here, I was not wrong to go long because it came here and it rejected on the trend line. It placed the green candle. Okay, many people will take it for the long side because it shows long side. All right. Likewise, this one. US Japanese. Same thing. High, 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 low. High, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low. He came here, high, high. He placed now, high, low here. But I could have been concerned about this because he stopped here. Change of direction. Change of direction because he didn't make a lower high. Now it's coming down. So this is a good trade for those who want to short. If you want to short, take a short for this trade, is good. I might see to take it my other platform and see. This is the US Japanese 4 hours. I'm going to go short on this trade here. If they might allow me. But my account here, I don't know, it doesn't work. I don't understand why my account doesn't work, but that's fine. Maybe I might take a trade with my other account. I have my other prop account here, which I want to resurrect it. We want root account. or from account. We call it overfunded. Let me see if I can see US Japanese. US Japanese here, 4 hours. Start coming down. Okay. Gotta go short here for US Japanese and see. I need to get here because I need to see here how it's performing. Oh, sorry. US Japanese. See coming down. I went short US Japanese. Let's see. Took a short US Japanese here in my other account. Let me see if I'm going to get it. Already on the support, I didn't check. That is why it's important to check. Very, very important. At the 5 minute. I could have waited to break this 5 minute candle, and start coming down. So gotta be careful. Always check before you enter. That was my mistake. I made. But if you keep going down, it will be fine. But I was supposed to check, to see if I'm going to have a break. But let's see if you can get it. If you get it, it will be fine. It looks like we want to get a break, ladies and gentlemen. This is it here. If you have break here down, it will be fine. Let's see. My other account, I'm not able to take any trade there anymore. So let me see if I can have a breakdown here. Let's see. Have a breakdown. If you have a breakdown here, I'm going to add on my position. Probably. Great. We have it. I'm going to add again. Add again in my position. Traders. I'm adding on the winning trade. It's not the losing one. Yep. Added there. I don't know what's going on. Watching. Watching. Watching for the short. Wait, Japanese for short. My stop is above this. If it doesn't work out, I'm going to get out of the trade. So let's see. Australia also coming down. Okay, let's see. We're moving in the right direction, traders. took one lot here on my other account because it's a little bigger. So let's see. Watching US Japanese for the short. I took it in my other account. Let's see. Gonna have a drop. My risk management, I just need to take one trade at a time. I don't want to take multiple trades. So US Japanese, let's see. They keep going down. Watching. We need to see a continuation down. US Japanese, I took one lot. My other account. Watching. US Japanese, let's see. We need to see the continuation down, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. We are now on some kind of support, but hopefully we're going to break it, that support, and keep going down. See that US Japanese, still short. They're pretty unlocked. I'm on prop account. So let's see. Expect continuation down. And my stop is here above this candle. I can even place it. If it doesn't work out, I'll be out of trade here. Watching. Play my stop. We're moving in the right direction here, ladies and gentlemen. We are moving in the very right, very good direction. Let's see. Need a drop. I took one at a time. I don't want to take so many trades. I'm in US Japanese for short. Let's see. My target gotta be here, ladies and gentlemen. Let me place my target. This is my target. That is where my target is. So let's see if we're gonna get there. Watching. Great. Let's see if we're going to get to my target. Traders. Watching. Watching. I didn't take this one in my other account because I already hit my mass loss. When you hit your mass loss, it's better to stop and you change the account. So change the account, I took another account now, which is great. Things are moving in the right direction. So you can see that I took one lot and now things are moving very well. Great. Let's see if I'm going to get it, my target. Watching now to see if I can get my target there. It's coming down. Watching US Japanese. I'm gonna see if I can get my target there. See that US Japanese, le short. Je vois ça pas arriver à mon objectif. Watching. Watching. Traders. I will see if he starts rejecting. I might get out of the trade. Watching. It's still coming down. Let me see if I can get it. My target. Pull back. Let's see. I'm still waiting. Watching. Watching US Japanese to see if you can get to my target. I gotta lower my stops, trader. Gotta lower my stops. Lower my stop from there to here. Lower my stop here, traders. Lower my stops. If it doesn't work, I will be out of the trade at this point. Lower my stops. Let's see. Move my stop to where I was, to the lower side. So let's see, because the trade doesn't doesn't go straight. Sometimes go back, and fall back and forth, back and forth. It might still keep going down, but it just retrace a little bit. It's possible. Otherwise, if you want to go back, let him kick me out. But I will be in profit already. Let's see. Watching. And observe. Great. Look like you gotta be maybe pull back here. Yes, it look like that. That kid, I can take my profit here. Ladies and gentlemen, this small profit is better to take my profit there, because it looked like it doesn't want to come down. But it was a good trade, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice trade. I judge that I don't want to lose money anymore, which I already made. But if he doesn't want to keep going down, it's better because he did 2 attempts to keep going down. Now it's rejecting. So I take my profit at that point, which is a great trade. So it's good, be back. So traders, it was a very nice trade, even though I don't take all the profit. So let's see what it's going to do now. Australia keep going down. There is the US Australia. Let me see here. So okay, the Japanese is start coming up now. I'm thinking how to take long position here and place my stop at the bottom. I'm going long. I'm going long here, and my stop is here at the bottom. I took one lot, traders, and my stops gotta be here at the bottom. Yeah, $41, $43, 44. That is my stop, the value. So $44 for the that is $44 for the risk, which I'm gonna lose. But let's see if we're gonna get it. My stop is below. Watching, you see, my stop is below here. I risk again the money I made. I risk that money. So let's see. We see now the how can I call this? We're coming downside. And now directly we found, let me see. This is the bullish sparring top. Sparring top. So this is the bullish sparring top I saw here. That is what I entered the trade. The bullish sparring top show what? Bullish spinning top show some kind of reversal. But it doesn't mean that things gonna always work the way you plan. But it's a candlestick chart pattern. When you see this change of direction, it means a lot. That is why I entered the trade. Let's see, it might keep going down, but it's possible. But since I saw the pattern, the chart pattern, that is why I entered the trade. It might fake. If it fake, I will get out. It's approaching my stop, traders. Approaching my stop. If you kick me out, I will be out of the trade with a loss, and I will stop trading for today. It will be what I made and what I give back. So that's it. Let's see. Maybe keep going down. All right, I'm out of the trade with a loss. That's it. We have a breakdown. But you see that this bullish sparring top didn't work for today, traders. So we understand, and there is nothing we can do. That is how it works sometimes. Sometimes you see a chart pattern which doesn't work. So that's it. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching us today. It's almost 10 p.m. Eastern time. So I think that we're going to be here tomorrow again for another section. The money I made, I give back. It just came and kicked me out. Now it's reversing. It did not place now two. Those two are long A dodgy neutral. That is the long A dodgy. Place for the bullish. It's still bullish candle. I might still take a long here because it's still bullish, showing that it's a bullish. For the long, they call it long leg dodgy. Yep, those long leg dodgy. Two of those still show some kind of reversal candlestick. So, but sometimes they behave some way to kick you out before you do what you were supposed to do. Sometimes it happens. That is what it did. It came now and it kicked me out. Now it's turning it around. It might still be a very nice trade, to trade. So this is where we're gonna start, trader, and we will talk about, we will see again for tomorrow. Trader, c'est ici que nous allons arrêter. Nous vous remercions beaucoup de votre attention et ceux qui regardent nos vidéos, demain nous serons encore ici à 19h, temps de New York. Merci, passez une excellente nuit, matinée aujourd'hui. We'll see tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Thank you for